Our affidavit process was very manual. My reps prior to Column was at least setting off a day or even a portion of their day every morning to process any expired notifications that needed to go out. We know that it's always been a time-consuming process. Having a full automation has always been our main goal and our end game. It allows us to have more flexibility, allow the advertiser to also receive those affidavits in a much more timelier fashion.
Hello, everyone. I am Laurie Bolle, and I lead the enterprise work at Column. As we are scaling up our public notice solution, I help build our partnership with major media companies in the US and around the world. Before Column, I served as the Vice President of National Classified Sales at Gannett, which included oversight of a centralized sales channel structure of 330 employees responsible for emerging products and platforms across obituaries, classified categories including real estate and auction, and public notice. Needless to say, I've seen up close and through my career the pain that comes along with the public notice process. It's one of the reasons why I joined Column to help bring our public notice solution to the forefront for publishers. Today's announcement shows how Column's solution is going one step further in reducing the operational burden of public notice by now offering an efficiency to help handle and manage affidavits. I am now going to pass the mic to Bo, who has more information to share about this new service offering.
Thanks, Laurie. Hi, I'm Bo, an engineer at Column and a former corporate lawyer who's worked very closely on developing this feature. I know firsthand some of the headaches associated with wrangling affidavits and notarizations, which is why I'm very excited to help launch our affidavit service. This is what you need to know. Our goal is to eliminate your manual processes involved in producing electronically signed affidavits. If you use Column, we'll do the work for you. Our goal is to eliminate your manual processes involved in producing electronically signed affidavits. If you use Column, we'll do the work for you. If you service jurisdictions that accept electronically signed and notarized affidavits, you can shift all the affidavit work to Column and take back your time. What this means is the printing, signing, scanning, uploading, all of that can be removed from your workflow. With Column's automated affidavit feature, you don't do the actual work anymore, you just review it. We'll hear from Keven at Restoration News Media about the recent pilot program embarked upon with Column to help automate the verification, signing, and notarization steps of the affidavits process.
We've been working with Column for the past couple of years. Prior to us coming to Column altogether, we had a full-time position dedicated to this. And since going to Column, we were able to kind of redirect that position somewhere else. The individual that I have had dealing with that actually works in our business office now, and she is able to redirect her time more towards other business office actions, billing, and payments that are coming in, but also allows us to look at some additional revenue generating opportunities that we can utilize this person for in the business. I would tell people, look at it, because it'll save you time, it'll save you money, I believe. On the back end, it'll allow you to redirect your staff and reorganize to where you can push them to maybe make that a revenue generating position. somewhere within the company, however you decide to do that. But it also takes the it takes the weight off your shoulders and really kind of puts it back on Column, because Column is end to end. They will take care of it. Even from the customer service side, dealing with any questions or concerns that may come up, to the very end now with affidavits. There's not really anything else better you could ask for from that perspective.
So, how can your organization take advantage of this new functionality? It is currently available in jurisdictions that permit electronic notarization. Our team has conducted extensive research on areas that qualify. So, please fill out the form below if you're interested, and our team will be in touch.